Let me show you one live optimization that is honestly stupidly small. It probably saves half a second, maybe less, which means it's completely irrational to even care about it unless you are a nerd like me and unless you switch apps on your phone like 100 times a day. I'm talking about switching apps. So most people, they do this. Let's say you are in Gmail and you want to open Anki. So you swipe up for the home screen and then you tap that Anki icon, and it's 2 steps. It's simple, works fine. There's also a recent app swipe at the bottom shortcut. So in case Anki was your most recent application, you just swipe to the left at the bottom of the screen. But this means that you have to think for a second. Was Anki my most recent app, or was it 2 apps ago? So this tiny decision is exactly the friction that I want to remove, not add. So I want one gesture that's always the same from any screen, no thinking. The question is there a way to go to Anki from any app in just a single motion from literally everywhere? Home screen, inside any other app, doesn't matter. The solution that I found is called Zone Launcher. Let me show you how it works. So it puts this tiny little line at the edge of your screen, and you can place it wherever you want. You can change the color, the height. Now watch the gesture. You swipe on that line, a list of apps appears, and then I keep sliding my thumb along the list, and if I release my finger outside any app, nothing happens. It cancels. I stay exactly where I was. But if I release on the app, it opens instantly. And that's the entire trick. Just one motion from any screen, no thinking. This isn't about saving half a second, it's about predictability. Your brain loves stable rules, and after a few days it becomes muscle memory. So you just swipe, slide, and then release. There's just one downside. In some full screen applications, this edge line can get in the way. So the workaround that the developers came up with is pretty nice. You just tap this line once and it disappears for a few seconds, and you can set up the period after which it appears again. So yeah, that's the whole optimization. Saves basically nothing, but it removes a tiny bit of friction. And if you stack enough of these optimizations like this, your day just flows a little smoother. So if you know any other weird micro optimizations like gesture shortcuts and Android tricks, just tell me. I'm genuinely collecting these.